What's going on, everybody? I'm Scars Leon. This is a little bit different of a look for me. We are back with another kit build. This time, this is Bandai's Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan Son Goku entry grade. It's only 38 pieces. It's same entry level as the Izuku kit I did. But let's get everything out and go in. Here we are. This seems a little bit simpler than the Izuku one. The stickers are only for his shirt, it looks like. There's nothing for his eyes or his mouth or eyebrows. All of that is built in. And the instructions are like, oh my. A lot of emphasis on the head. Alright, so let's go ahead and, well, we'll build the head first. I will actually just set that right up here so I can see it pretty easily. Put that there. Okay. So, let's go. Oh, because everything's built in. Everything is colored, so they just built it all into the head part, so that way you didn't need any stickers. That's kind of cool, actually. Oh, I need A18. Oh, that's his face. All right, and here we are, and there is the head of Super Saiyan Blue Son Goku. The hair was very intricate, I will say. That was a very, very nice piece. But let's move on to, it has us doing the body, so we're going to work on these bits. Wants us to take out. Okay, so I hope that's accurate. I'm not good with placing stickers, so all right. That looks pretty good. That shouldn't be coming off anytime soon. And then we just go. Boop. Oh, it didn't click like I expected. Okay. Alright, so here's the body. We can probably put the head on at any time, but we'll follow the instructions, and it wants us to build the arms next, so that's what we're going to do. Alright, we're starting with the right arm. Alright, before I actually put that in, we have the arms now. Those are actually quite easy to put together. Now we just go ahead and And there's that one. Make sure we line it up right. And there's that one. And now we put on the head as well. Alright, there is the upper torso of Super Saiyan Blue Goku. Alright, so next up, flip my instructions over. We have the lower body and the legs. So let's get to it. Okay, we're going to build the other leg real quick. I'm thinking I have the feet mixed up, even though I'm following the directions correctly. But it's possible that I have the feet mixed up. So let's go ahead. We'll put the leg together. So I think the right foot is this one. Oh, I had it on backwards. I figured it out. Yep, okay, I figured it out. I had the foot on backwards. This little knot's supposed to be in the front, and I wasn't... When I was looking at the picture, it wasn't registering that that's what it had to be. I was just assuming, oh yeah, and then it clicks in, and then, okay. There we go. And then, for the finishing touch, put him on. And then there's this little tabby thing here. We slide it into the back, the right foot, and that allows him to stand. And there we have it. We have Super Saiyan Blue, entry-level Bandai model kit. That was actually really easy. Went by a lot faster than I thought. There is an Ultra Instinct Goku that is a much more advanced. I think it's a level 3. That has a lot more pieces, is a very much more detail that I would like to do. But if you want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. What models you would like to see me build. They have a lot of Gundam ones. Not a big fan of Gundam, but I'd be willing to make those. But yeah, this was fun. So, thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. And let me know what you think down in the comments below. So until next time, I hope you all have a great day.